Happy birthday, Peter Obi. Now, I know this is going to come as a surprise to some of his supporters, but I do wish Peter Obi a happy birthday, and I wish that he grows in health, wealth, and stealth. Now, a lot of people are saying, why are you doing this? Don't you hate this guy? No, I don't. I'm a patriot. I love my country. Now, if Peter Obi markets my country, then I'm going to market my country, and that means opposing him. But that's not hatred. When Peter Obi criticizes the president, do you guys think he hates the president? No. So why do you think I hate him when I oppose him? It's just that, we cannot be people who are governed by our emotions. If you're ruled by your emotions, you're going to be ruled by people who rule their emotions. So don't act how you feel. Instead, tell yourself how you want to feel and then act it out until you feel that way. Listen, look at General Buhari. He just died, right? In 2003, when he was contesting for president against General Obasanjo, he went and met with General Babangida